this is how you can log into Klarna app. So first, download it if you haven't already. Then simply tap on the app and your home screen should look something like this. Simply tap on I agree to Klarna's privacy policy user and continue. And here you'll see on the top left corner of your screen a sign in button. Tap in, and here you can choose where you live, and after selecting it you can tap on sign in. Now Klarna will take you to its website where you can add your phone number or email. So after you write your phone number or email, tap on continue. Then Klarna will send you a code to your phone number or email, and after you write in the code, it will ask you for your phone number or email. Simply write your phone number right here, then tap on continue. And after this, you will be logged in Klarna app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.